Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use 11 Labs for beginners. First, go to your browser. Here, search for the 11 Labs. Click to open the official website of 11 Labs Prime Voice AI. To start, you'll need to sign up. You can sign up either by your Google account or Facebook account. After that, you will need to agree with the given terms and conditions. Once it is done, you'll be redirected to this page. Here you'll find different pricing plans with some additional features. Click on the speech synthesis from your above panel. Here you can select the AI voice from the drop-down list. You can play and listen to the voice of each AI before choosing one. Once you have selected the voice, head towards the voice settings. Here you can fix the stability and clarity. After that, click on 11 Monolingual. Here you'll find some additional settings. Now, add the text which you want to convert into speech. You can simply type them or copy-paste them from the destination folder. Once you're done, click on the Generate. As you can hear, your text will be converted into speech. Click on your profile and get a subscription. You can get a free subscription with some limited features or get a starter or creator pack. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.